Good morning, Philippines. I am 61 years old and this is my BP. Wala po akong maintenance for blood pressure. So, it's 113/66. Kagabi po, yung aking BP ay 120/78. So, i-stop ko ulit. Titingnan natin ulit kung pareho pa rin ang aking BP pag ni-restart. So, this is my husband. Tingnan natin. So, it's 122/79 at saka yung aking heartbeat ay nasa 76. So, ito po yung aking sikreto. I ensure that I always eat mango, dragon fruit pag may available, and in the morning, I always drink lemon juice concocted in a ginger, luya, at saka malunggay, at 1 teaspoonful na chili. I already vlogged this, yung aking concocted na tea. Nilalagyan ko po ng sambong tea or any green tea for that matter. So, to ensure also that I have a good movement of my waist, meron po akong papaya palagi. So, yan po ang aking source ng aking wellness at age 61. So, kayo po, sana watch kayo sa aking playlist ng aking mga healthy tips and wellness. So, go to my healthy tips. Kompleto po ako from update sa news natin daily, Philippines and USA and the world. And meron din po akong sa mga newly graduates, tips for the success that you will have to do in order for you to achieve or realize your goals and dreams in life. So, puntahan niyo po yung playlist ko on how to have a rich mindset and to attract money and to win during interviews. Thank you for subscribing and watching my YouTube channel. Good day. Sana mag-comment kayo. Thank you and great day ahead.